Hey guys, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Pragya and I hope you guys are doing very well. So, how am I looking? Absolutely good, right? So, as I promised you all, I will be giving you a very soon makeup tutorial video. So, here I am. So, I have created this look, this blue glittery kind of cute look with Nykaa palette which I bought recently. So basically this is my non-filter look. It's kind of non-greasy as well, you can see. So yeah, let's get started.